Category 2. Multiple decrement and timing. So far there is one pure dedicated sitting, Fall 2024 Question 2, a multiple decrement table with death, critical illness, and lapse. You compute claim probabilities and conditionals, and you must state timing, constant forces within the year versus end-year lapse mass points. Multiple decrement ideas also appear wrapped inside products when a lapse state is added. 2 subtypes, pure table construct and deconstruct, versus a product wrap that prices insurance on top of multiple decrement probabilities. Timing is the usual trap. Mid-year forces versus end-year mass points change the associated single decrement rates. Attack checklist. Identify the decrements and whether the table gives dependent rates or forces. Compute claim and cause probabilities from decrements over survivors. State timing before converting to independent rates or continuous forces. If pricing follows, build insurance and annuity EPVs under that measure. Plausible next variance. A triple decrement with a disease-specific benefit and equivalence premium. An Excel multiple decrement table filled down with associated single decrement conversion, or shifting one decrement to the start or end of the year and asking for directional effects. Drill Fall 2024 Question 2 with this checklist in hand. That is the strategy map for this category. Next, climb the prior exam ladder for this family in the companion markdown.